Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you're having a great day. Today I'm excited. Why? Because I got a check in the mail. And here it is right here. All I do is mail out flyers and I get paid. And today I got a check in the mail for, let's see, $100 today, and it's made out to me, as you can see right there, my name, money order for $100. It's easy to do, it's simple. All you do is just mail out some flyers. Anyone can do it, and you get money in the mail. Direct mail is the way to go. It's fun. I really enjoy it. If you want to learn more about working from home and direct mail and getting checks like these, then click on the link below the video and read the directions below. And you can start your own home business in direct mailing and make these checks and possibly a whole lot more. I'm so excited. So excited. $100 today in the mail. You can do it. Click on the link below and get busy. Direct mailing is the way to go. Talk to you later. Have a great day.